Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Spectrum modem and router, ensuring you get online quickly. First, carefully unbox all your Spectrum equipment. This includes your modem, router, and all necessary power cords. Find the coaxial cable outlet in your home, typically near an existing cable television jack. Now, connect one end of the coaxial cable to the wall outlet and the other end securely into the threaded port on your Spectrum modem. This crucial step establishes your internet signal. Next, plug the modem's power adapter into an available electrical outlet, then connect it to your modem. Watch the indicator lights on the front of the modem. You are waiting for the online or internet light to turn solid, which shows a stable connection. This process can take up to 10 minutes. Once it's solid, you can contact Spectrum's activation line or visit their website to register your new equipment. With your modem active, use the included Ethernet cable to connect the modem's LAN port to the router's WAN port. After this, plug your router's power adapter into an electrical outlet and then into the router itself. Allow a few minutes for the router to power on and initialize. You will find your Wi-Fi network name and default password printed on a label, usually on the bottom or side of your router. Now, using the Wi-Fi network name and password you just located, connect your devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers. For optimal performance, position your router in a central, open area of your home, away from other electronics or obstructions. This helps maximize wireless signal strength across all your devices. Finally, consider changing your default Wi-Fi password to a strong, unique one for better security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.